So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Uber cash to bank account. So you just for quick method, you just have to go to wallet.uber.com. Once you're in here, make sure that you are logged in to your account and make sure to add the payment method. And if you have vouchers, you could also do it with you and request access to their. You could also use this to request some business rights for others. So first off, you just have to add payment method, and once you have cash in here, you just have to click that. And I don't have cash, so there is a withdrawal here option, and it will withdraw the payment method in here. So you just have to add payment method in here, whether you have a credit card or gift card or PayPal, it depends on you. So once you have one of these, so you could withdraw the Uber wallet. So once you have the gift card or once you have a payment method, you should click this and withdraw. There is a withdraw option here if you have money. But if you don't have, you just like mine, it won't appear. And that's it.